Today we will discuss product invariant properties for finite products. That is, we will discuss the properties of topological spaces which are preserved under product of finite number of topological spaces. Today we will discuss two properties, namely connectedness and second countability. Before coming to the main theorem, we shall discuss some properties of projections. Recall that if x and y are two topological spaces, then for y naught in y, x cross singleton y naught is homeomorphic to x. We have proved this result. And similarly, we can prove that for x naught in x, singleton x naught cross y is homeomorphic to y. We also observe that pi x from x cross y to x is onto because for each x in x there exists x comma y in x cross y such that image of xy under pi x is x, which implies that pi x is onto. And similarly we can show that pi y is also onto. Now we shall prove the theorem. Let xt and yv be two topological spaces, then x cross y is connected if and only if x and y are connected. So let us prove this theorem. So let x cross y be connected. As we know that both projections pi x from x cross y to x and pi y from x cross y to y are continuous, and here we have also shown that these mappings are onto. So we can say that here x and y are continuous images of x cross y. And we know that continuous image of a connected space is connected, and since x cross y is connected, so both x and y are also connected. Conversely, let x and y be connected spaces. Then we have to show that x cross y is connected. And we know that actually we have proved this result that if every pair of points of a subset E of a topological space are contained in some connected subset of E, then E is connected. Means if any two points of a subset of a topological space are contained in some connected set, then that subset is connected. We shall make use of this result. So let x1, y1 and x2, y2 be two points of x cross y, because we want to show that x cross y is connected. So we are taking 2 points of this space, and we have to show that there exists a connected set which contains these 2 points and which is a subset of x cross y. As we know that singleton x1 cross y is homeomorphic to y, and x cross singleton y2 is homeomorphic to x. And we know that the connectedness is a topological property, means the property that is preserved under homeomorphism. And so singleton x1 cross y and x cross singleton y2 both are connected spaces. These are connected spaces and their intersection is non-empty. Why? Because we find an element x1 y2. This belongs to singleton x1 cross y, and this also belongs to x cross singleton y2. So intersection of these connected spaces is non-empty, and so their union is connected. We have proved this result. If we have a collection of connected spaces and their intersection is non-empty, then their union is a connected set. And so here we can say that this singleton x1 cross y union x cross singleton y2, this space is connected. And we also note that x1 y1 belongs to this set singleton x1 cross y, and x2 y2, this point belongs to x cross singleton y2. So these 2 points are belonging to this set, and this set is connected, and this is a subset of x cross y also. So we have a set which is a connected set, and which contains these 2 points, and this set is also contained in x cross y. And so we can say that this space x cross y is connected. Next, we show that if xt and yv are two topological spaces, then x cross y is second countable if and only if x and y are second countable. What do you mean by a second countable space? A topological space is said to be second countable if its topology has a countable base. So let us prove this theorem. Let x cross y be second countable. As both projections pi x and pi y are continuous and onto, and we also note that continuous image of a second countable space is second countable. So x and y are second countable, being continuous image of a second countable space, that is x cross y. So x and y both are second countable spaces. Conversely, let x and y be second countable, then we have to show that x cross y is second countable. Let b and c be countable bases for t and v, topologies on x and y, t and v respectively. And then we know that the following collection consisting of cross products of members of B and C is a base for the product topology on x cross y. This result we have proved earlier. So we know that this is a base for the product topology on x cross y. As the product of two countable sets is also countable, and so D is also countable. Thus, D is a countable base for the product topology on x cross y. This is a base and this is also countable. So the product topology on x cross y has a countable base. And so we can say that x cross y is second countable. Thank you.